Hi, I'm Emma Mitchell and I am the owner of MCO Culinary Experiences. So today what I'm going to make is a kale salad with almonds and cranberries. And I chose kale salad because it's super versatile. Once again, you can put different spices in it, you can use different salad dressings. You can dress it up as much as you'd like to, or as little as you'd like to. So it's pretty easy. The biggest thing with kale is you want to massage it with salt, which you'll see how I'm doing that. That makes it more tender and it makes it so that you can eat this kind of kale. So we're using some olive oil, some lemons, some Dijon mustard, honey, salt and pepper, some cranberries, and some almonds today. And most of the ingredients go into the dressing, and then the almonds and the cranberries go on top of the salad.